Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a video showing how to make this cute Derpy Chubby unicorn out of polymer clay and resin. So for the unicorn body, I'm taking a ball of scrap clay and I'm gonna indent it with my finger on one side to make a snout shape, and I'm gonna cut it at a diagonal for the neck. And then for the body, we're gonna take the same scrap clay and roll into a fat oval, and I'm gonna cut the corner into a diagonal as well. And I'm going to attach the head and body together. For the ears, I'm going to take a ball of clay and roll into a cylinder and cut it in half and blend that to the top of the head. So the legs will be a separate mold, so I'm taking a piece of clay and rolling into a cylinder and cutting it into 4 little pieces. Then I'm going to bake according to instructions, and once cooled down, I'm going to make my mold using Sorta Clear, which I'll leave in the description box below on where to find it. Now for the resin filling, I'm taking some UV resin and I'm giving it some white pigment and mixing it. I'm also adding a little bit of purple. And I'm pouring the mixture into my molds. And once completely filled, I'm going to cure it under the UV lamp for 2 minutes. Once fully cured, I'm going to slowly demold it from my mold. Since the bottom of my unicorn is flat, I decided to add droplets of resin onto the flat part to give it a dome shape and cure it. And piece by piece, I'm going to cure on the 4 legs onto the bottom of my Derpy unicorn. And I'm going to cure that as well. Then for the unicorn's face, I decided to give it dot eyes and 2 little lines for nostrils. And I twisted 2 pieces of clay to make the unicorn horn. And I decided I really didn't like the dot eyes, so I decided to give it giant big googly eyes instead. And it gave it extra derpiness. Now for the mane, I took some light blue clay and I rolled into a teardrop shape. And then I curled it to wrap around the horn. And another pink piece of mane, just for extra dramatic effect. For the tail, I'm taking spindle shapes of different colored clays and I'm putting them together. I rolled the tips together, cut the end, and I added it to the bottom of my unicorn. And once done, I decided to bake it in the oven as is for 20 minutes under instruction, and it came out like this. And then I decided to give it a layer of glaze just for extra shine. And once the glaze is completely dry, you should have a chubby derpy unicorn that looks like this. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really tried to keep it like a crystal, classy, but derpy and silly looking unicorn look. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I was going to add wings to it, but then it was less of a unicorn, more of a Pegasus. And I decided to keep as is, but I do want to make other variations. So be on the lookout for that on my Instagram. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.